In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If your PDF is too large to email, slows down sharing, or won't upload to a website, this walkthrough will help you shrink it while keeping it readable. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Once it's open, load the PDF you want to make smaller. Keeping a copy of the original is a good idea, especially if the file contains forms or high-detail images you might need later. On the left, click All Tools to open Acrobat's tool library. Scroll down until you see Compress a PDF, or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. The Compress a PDF option gives you a fast, automatic reduction, but for precise control over quality and size, look at the top sub-toolbar and click Advanced Optimization. This opens the Optimizer dashboard, where you can fine-tune exactly what gets reduced or removed. In the Optimizer, use the panel categories on the left to adjust how the file is optimized. Begin with images. Lower the image quality setting from high to medium to shrink the file without making on-screen images look overly soft. If your PDF is meant for viewing rather than high-end printing, set the resolution to 150 pixels per inch. That's a strong balance for slides, reports, and most online sharing. If your document includes small text embedded in images or detailed diagrams, preview a page after applying settings to make sure it still looks clear. Next, open Discard Objects. Check the boxes to remove embedded print settings, search indexes, and alternative image layouts. These elements don't change how the document looks, but they can add a lot of hidden weight. Clearing them streamlines the file while preserving its visible content. Move to Discard User Data. Strip away hidden metadata, extra form field data layers, and personal annotations. This not only reduces size, it also helps protect privacy by removing behind-the-scenes information. If you still need comments, form fields, or internal notes, leave those specific options unchecked. Then go to Cleanup. Enable the options that compress the document's underlying structure. This tidies up unused content and tightens the code that defines the PDF, often delivering a meaningful size drop with no visual downside. When you're satisfied, click OK. Give the optimized version a new name and save it, ideally with something like compressed, so you keep the original intact. That's it. Your PDF should now be much smaller and faster to share while maintaining the quality you need.